Hello, everyone.
Welcome to White Eagle.
I am your guide, and I am happy to be here with you today.
Want to confidently name everything around your house? This video will help you master essential everyday vocabulary. Many English learners find it hard to talk about their home, their bedroom, or their bathroom. You might know some words, but not all of them. You might not know how to say where things are, or how to ask someone to do something simple in the house. Today, we will fix that. We will learn many new words for things in your bathroom and bedroom. We will learn important words like on, in, next to, and under. These words help you say where things are. We will also practice giving and following simple instructions. By the end of this lesson, you will feel much more confident speaking about your home. You will know many new words. You will understand how to use these words in sentences. You will be able to ask and answer questions about objects and their positions. Are you ready to learn? Let's start. First, let's go to the bathroom. This is a bathroom. Say it with me. Bathroom. A bathroom is where you clean yourself. Look at this. This is a shower. Shower. We wash ourselves in the shower. Can you say shower? Good. What is this? This is soap. Soap. We use soap to clean our hands and body. Soap. And this? This is shampoo. Shampoo. We wash our hair with shampoo. Say shampoo. Excellent. After a shower, we need this. This is a towel. Towel. We dry ourselves with a towel. Say towel. Now, look here. This is a toilet. Toilet. We use the toilet. Practice. Toilet. And next to the toilet, we often see this. This is toilet paper. Toilet paper. Say toilet paper. Some bathrooms have this. This is a bathtub. Bathtub. You can take a bath in a bathtub. Bathtub. What about these? These are toothbrushes. Toothbrushes. We brush our teeth with toothbrushes. Say toothbrushes. And with toothbrushes, we need this. This is toothpaste. Toothpaste. We put toothpaste on our toothbrushes. Practice. Toothpaste. This is a sink. Sink. We wash our hands in the sink. Say sink. And above the sink, what do we see? This is a mirror. Mirror. We look at ourselves in the mirror. Say mirror. Great job with the bathroom words. Let's review quickly. What is this? That is a shower. Good. What is this? That is soap. Very good. Now let's move to another room. The bedroom. This is a bedroom. Say it. Bedroom. A bedroom is where you sleep. Look at this big thing. This is a bed. Bed. We sleep on the bed. Repeat. Bed. On the bed, we have these. These are pillows. Pillows. We rest our head on pillows. Say pillows. Next to the bed, you often find this. This is a lamp. Lamp. A lamp gives light. Say lamp. And this small item is a clock. Clock. A clock tells time. Practice clock. This piece of furniture is a dresser. Dresser. We put clothes in a dresser. Say dresser. Inside a dresser, we have these. This is a drawer. Drawer. You open a drawer to get clothes. Repeat. Drawer. Another place for clothes is this. This is a closet. Closet. We hang clothes in a closet. Say closet. And what do we put in dressers and closets? These are clothes. Clothes. We wear clothes. Practice. Clothes. Excellent work with bedroom vocabulary. Let's quickly check. What is this? That is a bed. Good. What are these? Those are pillows. Very nice. Now, let's learn how to say where these things are. We use special words called prepositions. The first one is in. The soap is in the shower. The clothes are in the closet. Say, the clothes are in the closet. Good. The next word is on. The mirror is on the wall. The pillows are on the bed. Say, the pillows are on the bed. Excellent. Now, next to. The lamp is next to the bed. The dresser is next to the wall. Say, the dresser is next to the wall. Very good. Another one is between. This means in the middle of two things. The toothpaste is between the toothbrushes. Say, the toothpaste is between the toothbrushes. Perfect. Let's try under. The rug is under the table. Say, the rug is under the table. And above. This means higher than something. The lamp is above the nightstand. Say, the lamp is above the nightstand. Good job learning these important words. Let's practice with some questions. Where is the mirror? The mirror is on the wall. Where are the clothes? The clothes are in the closet. Where is the bed? The bed is on the floor. Yes, the bed is on the floor. We also sleep on the bed. Now, let's practice doing things. We will use simple commands. These are instructions. Listen carefully and imagine doing these actions. Command 1. Stand up. Command 2. Go to the bathroom. Command 3. Pick up a toothbrush. Say, pick up a toothbrush. Command 4. Bring it back. Let's try more commands. Pick up 2 magazines. Now, put one on the piano and put the other next to the plant. Very good. You are following instructions. Here is another one. Pick up the newspaper. Hold it above your head. Now put it under the table and sit down. You are doing great. Let's try one more set of commands. Go to the bedroom. Pick up a pillow from the bed and give it to me. These are very useful for everyday tasks. Practice them in your mind. Let's talk about a common activity, cleaning. The word is clean. Isabel cleans the bathroom. I clean the bathroom too. You clean the bathroom. We clean the bathroom. We can also talk about when we clean. I clean the bathroom on Saturday. When does Isabel clean the bathroom? Isabel cleans the bathroom on Saturday. Say, Isabel cleans the bathroom on Saturday. This helps you talk about your weekly tasks. Wow! You have learned so much today. We explored many common items in the bathroom and bedroom. We practiced saying where things are using important prepositions like in, on, next to, between, under, and above. And we worked on understanding and following simple commands. You are building your English vocabulary and confidence step by step. Keep practicing these words and sentences every day. Look around your home and try to name things. Try to describe where they are. Try to give yourself small commands. The more you practice, the better you will become. If you found this vocabulary lesson helpful, please like and subscribe to White Eagle for more English learning content. Thanks for watching.